Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube students. Dear students, in our previous lecture we have discussed exercise 1.2, that was about the application of quadratic formula, and we have learned how to convert quadratic equation in the standard form of quadratic equation, and afterwards by the application of formula how to find out the solution of quadratic equation. Now in today's lecture we will discuss equation reducible to quadratic form. In our book there are 5 types of such equations which are reducible to quadratic form. We are using Ilmi book, it's page number 8. Now I am discussing type 1, first type of equation that can be reducible to quadratic form, that is ax raised power 4 plus bx square plus c. We are going to replace x square is equal to y in equation. This equation will be ax square plus bx square plus c is equal to 0. If we are replacing x square is equal to y, then it will be a y square plus b 2y plus c. Now we have converted this equation into the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let's take an example of it. For example, if we are having x raised power 4 minus 13x square plus 36 is equal to 0. Then how we are going to convert it into the standard form of the quadratic? If we are going to replace x square as y, so it will be y square minus 13y plus 36 is equal to 0. Hence, in this way we have converted this type of equation into the standard form of it by comparing the coefficients with the standard form of the quadratic equation. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 13 and c is equal to 36. Afterwards substitute its values, a, b and c's values into the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by. Now afterwards let's discuss type 2, that is constant with the polynomial. This is any polynomial, fine, plus any other constant, that is b, by p of x same polynomial is equal to the constant term, fine. So we are going to replace this p of x is equal to y. So it will be a y plus b by y is equal, by cancelling this y you have to multiply each term by y, so it will be ay square plus b is equal to cy, and afterwards ay square minus cy plus b is equal to 0. So in this way we have converted this type of equation into the standard form of the quadratic equation. So now let's move to exercise 1.3. It's question number 5 we are doing, that is related to type 1. Doing exercise 1.3, page number 11. Its related questions are question number 1 to 4. We should know standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. And this is the question, and first of all we have to convert this question into the standard form of the quadratic equation. Fine, we are having 3x raised power minus 1 whole square. Can I write this? I am keeping x raised power minus 1 inside and taking square of it. So when we are going to multiply them, so it will be x raised power minus 2, same it will be, fine, plus 5 minus 8 x raised to power minus 1 is equal to 0. Let x raised to power minus 1 is equal to y. Putting in equation 1, we get 3. This one is equal to y. So, and this one is also equal to y. So, replace it as y. So, it will be y square minus 8y plus 5 is equal to 0 here. If I am writing standard form of the quadratic equation with this equation, so a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 5. Now we know that the quadratic formula, hence the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let's substitute all a, b and c values over there. So it will be 3. So x is equal to minus minus plus 8 plus minus 64 minus 60. So it will be 64 minus 60 divided by 6. X is equal to 8 plus minus under root 4 by 6. X is equal to 8 plus minus under root 4 is 2 by 6. So y will be, y is equal to 8 plus minus 2 by 6. One time we have to write 8 plus 2 by 6 and second time we have to write 8 minus 2 by 6. So it will be y is equal to 10 by 6. Here y is equal to 6 by 6. Cancel, that is equal to 1. And here it will be 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So it will be 5 by 3. So here you can see why we are having y is equal to 5 by 3 and y is equal to 1. And here if you see here that we have supposed that y is equal to x raised to power minus 1 for finding the solution for y. But now at the end when we have taken out the values for, so I have to resubstitute y as x raised to power minus 1. So resubstituting, so that will be x raised to power minus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. X raised to power minus 1 is equal to 1 here. Fine. X raised to power minus 1 means 1 upon x is equal to 5 by 3. And 1 upon x is equal to 1. So finding the value of x, I have to reciprocate both of these terms. It will be x by 1 is equal to 3 by 5. Means the numerator converts into the denominator and denominator converts into the numerator. Here also numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. X by 1 is equal to 1 upon 1. So here x is equal to 3 by 5 and x is equal to 1 here. Hence the actual solution is, solution set is equal to 1 and 3 by 5. Here can we write it like this: x minus a by x plus a minus 1 upon, when it will go into the denominator it will reciprocate as x minus a by x plus a is equal to 7 over 12. I have told you here that replace this polynomial as y. So we have to replace this polynomial as y. So let x minus a by x plus a is equal to y. Fine. Put in equation 1. So it will be y so it will be y minus 1 upon y is equal to 7 over 12. have to convert this equation into the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we have multiply by y, multiply by y and multiply by y. This will be cancelled. Here it will be y square minus 1 minus 7 upon 12 y is equal to 0. If we rearrange it, further simplify it by multiplying 12 to each term of this equation, it will be 12 y square minus 7y minus 12 is equal to 0. That is 144. Means we have to find out the pair of those digits to whom we multiply and get 144. Multiply करें तो 144 after multiplication. After subtracting we get 7. So those digits are 16 multiplied by 9, that is 144, and when we subtract we get minus 7 over there. I am using middle term break. Y square minus 16y plus 9y minus 12 is equal to 0. We can take 4y as common. It will be 3y minus 4 plus 3 common. It will be 3. It will be 3y minus 4. So 3y minus 4 is taking common, and the remaining will be 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. These both two factors are equal to 0. So either and or condition by 3, or 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 3 by 4. Hence we have got two solutions of y, that is 4 by 3 and minus 3 by 4. But till here this is not the solution of the this quadratic equation. We have find out the solution of this quadratic equation, but now we have to find out the solution of this quadratic equation by replacing y as x minus a divided by x plus a. So I am replacing y as x minus a by x plus a is equal to 4 by 3. So cross multiply, we have 3x minus 4x is equal to 4a plus 3a. It will be minus x is equal to 7a, hence x is equal to minus 7. So we have find out 1x, that is minus 7a. Now we are going to replace y is equal to minus 3 by 4, and we have to replace y as x minus a by x plus a. Now let's see. Y is equal to 4 by 3. We have resubstituted the value of y and we have got x is equal to minus 7 by a. Now we have another y is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now resubstituting the value of y, that is y x minus a by x plus a is equal to minus 3 by 4. Cross multiply now. It will be 4x minus 4a is equal to minus 3x minus 3. Its sign, change its sign. It will be 7x is equal to a. So x is equal to a by 7. Hence we have found the solution set of this equation, that is x is equal to minus 7a and a by 7. in this way you can solve question number 1 to 9, all parts of exercise 1.3. Facing any difficulty, then do write down into the comment box below, or you can mail me on my email address written into the description box. In my next video, we will discuss type 3, 4 and 5 equation reducible to quadratic form and its related questions in exercise 1.3. So keep watching my videos, stay blessed and keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.